The minimum distance from a switch to a bath or shower in a dwelling is 3 feet. This requirement is based on safety considerations to prevent electrical shock. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, sets forth specific guidelines for electrical installations in various locations, including bathrooms. The purpose of these regulations is to minimize the risk of electrical hazards in areas where water is present. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and the proximity of electrical devices to water sources increases the potential for electric shock. The 3-foot rule helps to maintain a safe distance between switches and water sources, reducing the likelihood of accidental contact and electrical injury. In a typical bathroom, this measurement is taken horizontally from the edge of the bathtub or shower stall. It is important to note that this distance is not measured vertically, but rather in a horizontal plane. The code specifies this distance to prevent individuals from reaching a switch while in the bath or shower, which could lead to a dangerous situation. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety of occupants and preventing electrical accidents. Licensed electricians are trained to understand and apply these codes correctly, ensuring that all electrical installations meet the required safety standards. When designing or renovating a bathroom, careful consideration should be given to the placement of switches, receptacles, and other electrical devices. Adhering to the 3-foot rule is a critical aspect of safe electrical design in bathrooms. In addition to the horizontal distance requirement, other factors also contribute to bathroom electrical safety. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are required for all receptacles in bathrooms to protect against electrical shock. GFCIs are designed to detect small imbalances in electrical current, quickly shutting off power to prevent injury. The installation of proper grounding systems is also crucial for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker and preventing electrical shock. Furthermore, the use of appropriate wiring methods and materials is essential for ensuring the long-term safety and reliability of electrical installations. Wires must be properly insulated and protected from physical damage to prevent shorts and other electrical hazards. Proper bonding of metal components, such as pipes and enclosures, is also important for maintaining a safe electrical environment. Electrical inspections are typically required to verify that all electrical work meets the NEC requirements. These inspections are conducted by qualified professionals who examine the installation to ensure it is safe and compliant with the code. Failure to comply with electrical codes can result in fines, delays, and potentially dangerous situations. The 3-foot rule is just one aspect of the comprehensive set of regulations designed to protect people from electrical hazards in bathrooms. By understanding and adhering to these requirements, homeowners and contractors can help to create a safer environment for everyone. The NEC is updated regularly to reflect changes in technology and to address emerging safety concerns. It is important for electricians and other professionals to stay up to date with the latest code changes to ensure that their work meets the current standards. Understanding electrical codes and safety practices is crucial for anyone involved in electrical work, whether it's a homeowner doing a simple repair or a licensed electrician installing a new circuit. Electrical safety should always be a top priority to prevent accidents and protect lives. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work that requires expertise or that you are not comfortable performing yourself. Electricity can be dangerous, and it's important to take all necessary precautions to ensure your safety and the safety of others. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for a wide range of electrical installations, covering everything from wiring methods to equipment specifications. It is a comprehensive resource for ensuring safe and reliable electrical systems. When planning any electrical work, it's always a good idea to consult the NEC and any local electrical codes that may apply. Local codes may have additional requirements that supplement the NEC. By following the NEC and local codes, you can help to ensure that your electrical work is safe, compliant, and reliable. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. Take the time to learn about electrical hazards and how to prevent them. With proper knowledge and precautions, you can minimize the risk of electrical accidents and protect yourself and others from harm.